Welcome back. The local MLAs from Perne Taluka, Mr. Lakshmikant Parsekar and Mr. Dayanand Sopte, visited the banana farms damaged by the elephants at Ibrampur and Halarna villages and tried to comprehend their problems. The damaged sufferers put forth their queries to the MLAs.
हे सगळे 150 मोडले आणि ते साइडीन मोडला सगळं टोटल 400 आले
म्हणजे हळद आणि इब्रामपूरच्या तुलनेत हय कमी नुकसान आहा
अगोदर झाला ना आधी झाला.
Speaking to Goa 365, MLA Parsekar said that the government should compensate for the damages immediately without bringing any kind of politics into the matter.
बरं मंडोळचे केळी ज्या केळ्यांक सीजन जातकीर चतुर्थीकडे साधारणपणे 400-500 दर मिळू शकता अशा शेतकऱ्यांचे जाल्ले हजारो रुपयाचे नुकसान हे त्याच वेळार तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन मेळूंक जाय. कळटा त्याच्या प्रमाणे खरें हेची व्हॅल्युएशन आणि नुकसानचो अंदाज एस्टिमेट हे अग्रिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटान करूंक जाय. आठवडो जालो गेले 8-10 दिवस जाले अग्रिकल्चर खात्याचो एकय अधिकारी हांगा आयिल्लो ना. येता फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट तेंचो बंदोबस्त किंवा तेंच्या फाटल्यान वचपा खातीर येता. फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट केळ्याचो एस्टिमेट करूं शकना. केळीचो एस्टिमेट हो अग्रिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटान करूंक जाय. वायट दिसता म्हाका अग्रिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट अजून येवंक ना म्हटल्यामुळे ज्यो केळी शेतकऱ्यांक दिसता आपली केळ ही जी तुटलेली आसा तिचो एस्टिमेट करपाक येय पर्यंत ती काडूंक जायना म्हणून त्यामुळे ताचे मनूय लागना थंय. ती केळी मोडून घातल्यामुळे पाण्याचो निचरो जायना. पाण्याचो निचरो न जाल्यामुळे उरलेल्यो उब्यो केळी ज्यो आसात तेचेय नुकसान जावपाचे धोको आसा ते कुसतल्यो. त्यामुळे सरकारान हेचेर बेगिनाच बेगीन तांकां कॉम्पेन्सेशन दिवंक जाय. कॉम्पेन्सेशना पयलीं ताचे जे एस्टिमेट्स आनी व्हॅल्युएशन करूंक जाय. नुकसानीचो अंदाज घेवंक जाय.
The Sarpanch of Halarna Panchayat, Mr. Umesh Gawas, opined that the government should take some measures to drive off the elephants from these villages.
सरकारान असो निर्णय घेवपाक जाय की हत्ती कायमचे हांगासून वचूंक जाय. कायमचो तरूच आमचो जो फूल गांव आसा हळर्णा गांव आसा किंवा इब्रामपूर आसा हे गांवांक लोकांक सुरक्षा कांयच मेळना. नाल्यार एक फॉरेस्ट गेल्यार फाल्यां आमच्या गांवांतलो किंवा ह्या परिसरांतलो कोणी आदमी आनी एक वचूंक शकता. त्या बद्दल लोकांक फूल भीती जाल्लेली आसा. त्या कारणान सरकारान हेच्या बद्दल जायती दक्षता घेवन बेगीन तेंचो हें करपाचो.
The people of Ibrampur village gathered together and put their problems before the MLAs. Mr. Sopte said that he was unhappy with the attitude of the agriculture department towards the affected farmers and said that he would follow up the matter with the concerned departments.
मामलेदारान धरणे नाही म्हाका जाब विचारपा जाय त्या मामलेदार ऑफिसर प्रामुख्यान एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाक की तुमकां ही गोष्ट कळ्ळ्या नंतर तुमकां कितके म्हयने किंवा कितके दीस वयतात थंय वचून ताची चौकशी करप, पंचनामो करप, व्हॅल्युएशन करप. कारण 15 दीस जर इन्सिडंटाक जावन गेले जाल्यार आज पर्यंत एग्रीकल्चर डिपार्टमेंटाचो कोण ऑफिसर हांगा येयलो ना. तेंची विचारपूस केली ना, व्हॅल्युएशन केलें ना. फक्त हो सरकार तांकां फक्त आश्वासन दिता. हाचे खातीर आमी चड दीस न्हय फाल्यांच्यानच तांच्या फाटल्यानय लागतले. हांगाच न्हू ते विधानसभेनय आनी ते कन्सर्न जो मिनिस्टर आसा तेजे कडेन की ह्या हत्तींचो आनी गवारेडांचो कायमचो बंदोबस्त करपाक जाय. ते 2 लाखाचे फुगोटे हाडले ते मारल्यो तातूंत ते हत्ती वचपाचे ना.
The award ceremony of the Navan Times ex-NCC Cadets Association Goa was held recently. 13 ex-NCC cadets were presented with awards for meritorious services in their respective fields. The ex-NCC cadets who were awarded were Shri Francisco Sardinia, MP Lok Sabha South Goa in the political field, Ashutosh Teli, IAS officer in the field of Union Civil Services, Captain Prasad Pascal De Silva, Indian Army in the field of defence, M.K. Sheikh, Chairman of the Goa Education Corporation in the field of education, Elvis Gomes, Director of Tourism in the field of Goa Civil Services, Arvind Gawas, GPS in the field of Goa Civil Services, Brahmanan Shankwalkar, Director Coaching, Sports Authority of Goa in the field of sports, Advocate Prakash Naik, Senior Advocate Mumbai in the field of law, Sunil Prabhudesai, Administrator, Dempo Education Trust in the executive field, Dr. Edward De Lima, ex-associate NCC officer, served as major for dedicated anno, Sally Quadros Icutino in the teaching field, D. Satish, a magician who won an award in the special category, and Mr. Nilesh Rane, Police Inspector, Kurchori Police Station, who won an award in the special category for RDC Achievers Cadet. Some of the awardees shared their experiences as NCC cadets.
I rose to be under officer of Dampe College as a cadet. I had great interest to join the armed forces, but being the only son, my mother didn't want me to join the armed forces, so I went into teaching. But somehow, joining the NCC, a kind of a sublimation. I attended all the camps, training, and whenever I was at the OTS, county, there were cadets from all states of India.
Today I am here because it's NCC that made me what I am. And I feel proud to be a cadet. In fact, I tell my students around, although I'm not taken charge at the college, I tell them, please do take, it makes you stronger, it makes you a stronger person in life. And it's not only making you what you are in society, it makes you satisfied in life. Like you achieve so many things at the camps when you compete at national level. So as a national cadet, when I was competing, I learned a lot.
Three things which has taught me is hard work, punctuality and discipline. Until today, what I follow, these three principles which makes me to know what is struggle, and what are the hurdles, what strong determination, strong will which is required to come up in life, which I faced. I have faced a lot of injuries being a footballer. I had a bad fracture in the Asian Games, jaundice before the Asian Games, but some of the knee injuries, minor injuries, but all that, the will never stopped me.
Speaking at the award function, Dr. Wilfred D'Souza praised all the NCC cadets for their achievements and said that it must have been the qualities that the NCC teachers that pushed them forward.
Some of you have been chosen for excellence, and this excellence hasn't come just by itself. This excellence has come by your efforts, and I'm sure that right at the beginning of it must be the training that you received in the NCC, because NCC is a great organization and it teaches a lot of discipline, it teaches a lot of friendship among students and many other things of which you must have used to rise to the level that you have.
Time for a short break. You're with Goa 365.